Today, we're delving into the principles of art, the foundational tools that transform creative ideas into compelling visuals. Through the lens of modern art, we'll explore how artists like Wiley, Basquiat, Lichtenstein, and Haring master these principles. Let's begin. The principles of art are your toolkit for crafting compelling compositions. They're the methods you use to organize elements like line, form, and color to create impact, like the artwork of Jean-Michel Basquiat. The 7 key principles are balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity. Modern artists manipulate these with precision to challenge perceptions and evoke emotion. A good example is the art of Keith Haring. Balance organizes a composition to create a sense of stability. Contrast, meanwhile, creates visual tension. Kehinde Wiley's portrait of Barack Obama pits vibrant greens against warm oranges, making the figure pop while blending contemporary portraiture with classical gravitas. Contrast amplifies impact. Roy Lichtenstein's artwork, Drowning Girl, employs deep blue and sharp black outlines, inspired by comic books, to create striking visual drama that blends pop culture with emotional depth. Emphasis directs the viewer's focus. Keith Haring's painting Radiant Baby is a powerful example of his use of emphasis as a principle of design, creating a focal point that draws the viewer's attention and conveys meaning. Pattern builds structure through repetition. Roy Lichtenstein's art, Brushstroke, uses his signature Ben-Day dots to mimic comic printing, creating a rhythmic texture that's both ironic and iconic. Rhythm establishes flow, as seen in Basquiat's piece Untitled, Skull, where layered lines and symbols pulse with frenetic energy. Unity ties it all together. Keith Haring's artwork blends bold figures and colors into a cohesive statement, balancing chaos with harmony. You can harness these principles to craft powerful work. Start with a concept, identity, society, or personal history. Create emphasis with a bold color, like Kehinde Wiley. Guide the eye with movement, inspired by Haring's flowing lines. Use pattern and rhythm, like Lichtenstein's dots, for visual impact, and ensure unity to tie your vision together. Push boundaries to express your unique perspective.